Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sarah's Fun Studio. And today we are here at this IKEA Museum in Älmhult. So, hope you enjoy this video. As you know, IKEA is a big brand and there are IKEA stores in over 32 countries in the world. Actually, this museum was the first store which opened in 1958. But then they converted it into this museum in June 2016. IKEA's full form is Ingvar Kamprad Älmhult Agunnarid. Ingvar Kamprad was the founder of IKEA. Älmhult is his farm's name and Agunnarid is his village's name in which he grew up. He began his career at the age of 6 selling matches to his nearby neighbors, and by the time he was 7, he started selling in further fields using his bicycle. From matches, he expanded to selling flower seeds, greeting cards, Christmas tree decorations, and later pencil and ballpoint pens. IKEA is famous for its easy-to-build furniture, but do you know why it is so easy? I'll tell you. Actually, Ingvar has dyslexia. Dyslexia is a disorder in which the person finds difficulty in reading and learning, but it does not affect general intelligence. So numerical codes for each item were a real challenge for Ingvar, so he replaced the numerical codes with Swedish names. The next challenge for his dyslexia was the complex written assembly instructions. Dyslexia helped to create the IKEA instructions we know today because Ingvar replaced the words with illustrations or pictures, and so the IKEA furniture is so easy to build. So next time when you see IKEA's name, you can remember how dyslexia shaped IKEA and how Ingvar Kamprad harnessed the creativity of his dyslexia and left us with this amazing legacy of IKEA. In 1943, when he was 17 years old, his father rewarded him with some money for doing well in school, and from that money he set up this company. In 1953, IKEA started flat-pack furniture because before that, furniture transportation and damage rate was so high via mail order. Did you know when IKEA first started, they used to deliver IKEA products with milk trucks? IKEA's location is often in the outskirts where leasing costs is less. It keeps the price low and affordable for everyone. Since they are located in far-off places from main city, IKEA noticed that people would often get hungry after shopping. So, in 1960, they opened a restaurant and fast food. Every man needs to shave. So, Ingvar sold shavers, razor blades, and sharpeners in 1949 till 1950. And also this kind of stuff. But after that, he focused only on furniture. In every decade, furniture fashion changes. Here you can see how living style is changed from 1950s to till now. IKEA's slogan is creating a better everyday life for the many people. When we saw this amazing journey of IKEA, I realized that it's really true. Here you can watch amazing videos of IKEA. IKEA's roots are in Småland, which is Sweden's region. Here you can see beautiful things which take you in old times. Småland is full of iron ore. So many people of Småland know to work with different kinds of metal. They crafted mouse traps and other objects. It was a good extra income for them. Here you can weave the mat, and I also tried it and it was fun. And here they have a small theater in which you can enjoy the journey of IKEA. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, share, and subscribe my channel, Sarah Fun Studio. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Bye!